Hello everyone. Today topic is the relationship between supply frequency and motor speed and the importance of variable speed control in modern application. Utility power supply. The utility power supply from the national grid is always constant frequency, either 50 Hz or 60 Hz depending on the country. Therefore, voltage and currents applied to AC machines also have phase frequency. Fifth, speed of AC machines. The synchronous speed of an AC machine is directly proportional to the frequency of supply. This speed can be calculated using the formula Ns equal to 120 frequency by P. Here, and S is synchronous speed in revolution per minute RPM. F is the frequency in hertz, and P is the number of poles of the machine. From this equation, if the supply frequency is constant, then the motor speed also becomes fixed. Next one is limitation of phase speed. A phase speed motor is not always suitable. Many modern manufacturing processes require variable speed operation. For example, machine tools need different speeds for cutting different materials. Textile machines require different speed for different fabrics, and conveyor belts often need adjustable speeds. Conveyor system, conveyor belts often need adjustable speeds. VFD, variable frequency drive. To achieve this flexibility, modern industries use VSD or variable frequency drive. VSDs adjust the supply frequency, which slightly changes the synchronous speed of the motor. This allows benefits of VSD. This allows precise control of speed, precise speed control, energy savings, energy saving or energy frequency, and improved process performance. Conclusion. In conclusion, utility power supply has a constant speed, which leads to fixed motor speed. However, variable speed is essential in many modern applications, and VSD technology makes this possible. Question number one. Question one. What is the frequency of utility power supply in most countries? To A 25 has B 50 or 60 has C 100 has D 120 has. Question 2. What is the formula for synchronous speed of an AC machine? Ns equal to 60 F by B. Number B N is equal to T and Z F5 B. C. N is equal to F multiply B. D. N is equal to F5 120. Question 3. Why do AC machines have fixed speed when supplied directly from utilities? A. Because because supply frequency is constant. B. Because voltage is always zero. C. Because poles keep changing. D. Because current is DC. Question number 4. Which modern applications require variable control? A. Machine tools. B. Textile machines. C. Courier systems. D. All of the above. Question 5. What device is used to change supply frequency and control motor speeds? A. Transformer. B. Variable frequency drive VFD. C. Circuit breaker. D. Fuse. Thank you for your attention. Please share your chosen answer is in the comments. Thank you so much for thank you so much for your participation. See you. Bye bye.